recipe is something that we all love and enjoy. It's biryani. Now there are several biryanis that I have made, and adding to that is today's special, which is Dindigul Mutton Biryani. Now this is a very typical South Indian style biryani and it was a much requested recipe. So there you go. Why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. First I'm going to pressure cook the mutton. I have 1 kilo of mutton with bone. Add 1.5 cups of water. Pressure cook on medium flame for about 4 to 5 whistles. For the masala powder, I've taken a series of ingredients here. 2 tablespoons whole coriander seeds, 10 cashews, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoons stone flour, otherwise known as kalpasi, 6 cardamom, 1 tablespoon peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 2 star anise, a piece of cinnamon, 2 small pieces of maize, about 10 cloves, 2 small pieces of nutmeg and 1 tablespoon fennel seeds. Add all the ingredients for the masala powder into the mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. For the masala paste, so I've taken about 15 shallots. Now this variety is a little bigger than the usual. So if you have smaller ones, then you can use about 20 shallots. Next add 5 green chilies, 5 large cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. To make the Dindigul biryani, I have taken a nice large cooking pot. To the pot add 3 tablespoons of oil. To this add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next add the ground masala paste, which is the onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. Cook the masala till it's nice and brown. The masala paste has browned beautifully and the raw smell is gone. I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the ground masala powder. To this I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons rock salt. So for this recipe I'm using rock salt, but you can also use table salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Keep the flame on low and mix the spice powders because you don't want to get it burnt. Add the cooked mutton pieces. Next I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon and 200 grams of curd. Next add a handful of mint leaves. Add a handful of coriander leaves. I'm going to add all the mutton stock because all the flavors in the mutton stock. Close the pot, keep the flame on medium and cook for about 25 minutes. For the Dindigul Mutton Biryani, I'm using the Seeraga Samba rice variety. I'm using 2 cups of the Seeraga Samba rice. Unlike the basmati rice, which is a long grain rice, the Seeraga Samba rice is a small grain rice, you can see. And as you can see, the rice is very small, and since it resembles the jeeragam, which is a jeera or the cumin seeds in Tamil, it's called the Seeraga Samba rice. Wash and soak the rice for about 20 minutes. The mutton is cooked beautifully, it's nice and tender. Add the soaked rice. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water. Cook the rice on medium flame for about 10 minutes. The rice is half cooked. Place the tawa on the stove. Once it's hot, place the biryani pot onto the tawa. Add a teaspoon of ghee, some chopped coriander leaves, a few mint leaves. Cover the biryani with the banana leaf. Cover the pot with foil paper. Place the lid. Keep the flame on low and leave the biryani on dum for about 20 minutes. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious Dindigul Mutton Biryani. So what is special? Well, there are a few key features. One is the difference in the rice, where I have used the Seeraga Samba rice instead of the Basmati rice. That itself makes a big difference. And of course, the method of making is dum style. So you definitely should try this different style biryani and you can enjoy it with some raita by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frame.